Okay students, the next functional group that contains the carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen in them are called amines. First, see the definition of amines. The organic compounds which contain carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen in them are called amines. The functional group for the amines is NH2 and the general formula is RNH2. The examples, C for amine, H3 is the alkyl radical of CH4. From CH4 what forms CH3. This amino group NH2 that is formed by the removal of one hydrogen from ammonia NH3, this having the lone pair. By the removal of one hydrogen from this forms NH2, removal of one hydrogen from this forms the radical NH3. So what forms CH3 and NH2? Both these combine and form amines which are called as methyl amine. See the other example, as one more hydrogen from this can be removed. So what will form NH? In place of that vacant space, another alkyl radical CH3 can attach to this. So its name is dimethylamine. As two methyl groups are there, so it is dimethylamine. One more hydrogen is there, it can also be removed from this. So what will be there? Another vacant space is there, bond is there. So CH3, CH3 and CH3. Now how many methyl groups are there? 3, 1, 2 and 3. So its name is trimethylamine. We can also classify them, these amines, as primary, secondary and tertiary. Recall your concept of the primary. What is the primary amine? In primary amines, what happens? The hydrogen which is removed from this nitrogen, it is attached to only one carbon atom. So it is what? It is primary amine. It is what? It is primary amine. Same, the hydrogen which is removed from this nitrogen, it is further attached to two other carbon atoms. So it is secondary amines. It is called what? Secondary amines. Then nitrogen from which hydrogen has been removed, it is attached to three other carbon atoms, 1, 2 and 3. So it is trimethylamine, or the other name is tertiary amines. The next functional group is that contains the carbon, hydrogen and halogens. And as we know, halogens are represented by the capital letter X, which include fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. So any halogen can combine with this carbon, hydrogen and form a functional group which are called as alkyl halides. So first, see the definition. The organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and halogens. Halogens mean fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, any halogen that can be attached. So what group is formed of the organic compound? That is called alkyl halides. What are called alkyl halides? Halides for halogens. The functional group again is RX. R for alkyl radicals, X for any other halogen. The X may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. Now see the examples. In place of R here, the ethyl group is attached, CH3, CH2 and X. It is called as ethyl halide. So if in place of this X chlorine is there, so it is CH3, CH2Cl or ethyl chloride. See the other examples as well. Now see this, with this X, R group is CH, CH3, CH3, which is the propyl radical, which is formed from propane. What is propane? The formula of propane is CH3, CH2, CH3. From this propane radical, this propane CH3, 3 carbon atoms, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hydrogen atoms. 3, 6 and 7 hydrogen atoms are there. It means one hydrogen has been removed. With this halogen will attach and what forms propyl halide. As this carbon from which hydrogen has been removed, it is attached to two other alkyl radicals, two other carbon atoms. So it is called as secondary propyl halide. The next example where this butane radical is there, and that is the butyl radical from butane that is formed CH3, CH3, CH3. As with this carbon atom from which hydrogen has been removed, that is attached to 3 other carbon atoms with halogens, so it is butyl halide. And as 3 carbon atoms are there, so it is tertiary butyl halide. Okay students, the next functional group is double or the triple bond. First, see alkenes. What are alkenes? Their definition: alkenes are the hydrocarbons that contain the double bonds between 2 carbon atoms in their molecule are called alkenes. For example, H2C double bond CH2, between the 2 carbon atoms the double bond is present, so it is ethene. Then next is propene, CH3 CH double bond CH2. Here again the double bond is present between the 2 carbon atoms, so it is propene. The next class is of alkynes. Now what are alkynes? Alkynes are the hydrocarbons that contain the triple bond between the 2 carbon atoms. For example, CH triple bond CH, ethyne, and the ethyne belongs to the series, the homologous series is called as acetylenes, so its name is also acetylene. See the other example of propyne, CH3 C triple bond CH, and its name is propyne. Propyne alkynes, they end with the suffix YNE.